Hello, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to change the recording resolution on your Redmi K70 Ultra phone. So the first thing you're gonna do is we're going to open up our camera app. We're going to record the video, and then just click on video to open it up. And here on the top right, you will have the options to change from 720, 1080 to 4K resolution, or you can also change the frames per second. So 30 or 24, but that's not all of the options that you have. So for example, if you want to record even better videos, you're going to click on the arrow to extend these options, and here you have the resolution and frame rate options. So if you click on resolution, you can see you have up to 8K video, but you're going to have to turn it on if you have it disabled. And you can also change the frame rate. So for example, if I pick 1080p, then I can adjust these frame rates, so 720, 4K, and the frame rates right here. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.